separating them from the entrance to this church, there's essentially a narrow ledge off the side of this cliff.
Good morning, guys. So today we're going again to the area, and I brought with me garbage. Look at this, because I have to put this there down. It was very hot this time, so I have to go back because I forgot my hat, and it was very hot. That's why I really need it today. I'm not really sure if I'm going to go swim later, but let's see, guys. First I have to get my hat, which I'm always using every day. So here it is. This can hold me on, not like help, but you know, for the sunlight, a little protection for my head. What's happening is cream cheese, and the fruit side dish. So it's now putting pepper on my eggs, but nothing comes out yet. Maybe it works. With the fried rice, and this is meat with, I don't know, potatoes. Stracciatella, guys. It's vanilla with cookies. Look at this. Looks yummy. So this time we are going to Bukid Talipapa to get some chicken fillet, guys. So it's 2:30 and today, guys, we are going to Boracay.
Beautiful girls.
So they are selling here bags, slippers.
It's just devastating. If you're never on the other side of the weapon, it's devastating.
The M240 can fire 700 to 900 rounds per minute at a range of up to about 4,000 yards and a little bit more. And it only weighs 25 pounds. That makes the M240 an incredibly deadly weapon. It's without that 240, I think, it would have been a lot tougher to get out of that firefight.
The 240 Bravo differs from the M2 in that it uses an entirely different mechanism to cycle its cartridges through the firing chamber. Instead of using the gun's recoil,
If you combine the mobility, the rate of fire, the size of the munitions, the M240 is going to be able to help the American military punch a hole in just about anything it wants.
So this time we are going upstairs because I'm going to check my laundry earlier, and I have here one towel. I have to hang it upstairs because the sun was wood prepared. I'm going to hang inside the room. So let's go, guys. You can hear hammer and in the side because they are constructing a building. But yeah, so I just started washing this. It's it's thinking ready, that's why. So we're going here. This is actually very good for making shorts for your channel, and also it's good for hanging clothes because it was white. So here are the clothes that I washed earlier. Hindi pa ako natapos na gumawa ng shorts and nawala na yung wifi, so I don't have a choice kundi bababa na lang ako, guys. Yeah, I wish I made even one shorts pero wala eh. Ayan. So nawala yung wifi kaya kunin ko na yung mga damit na aking tawag dito inilagay dito kanina. And then I will put back the himpit. Ayan, ito siniram ko lang guys dito. Bali, ginamit ko to siya because alam nyo naman kapag nasa attic or nasa part ng ibabaw, yung mga damit is madaling mahulog. Kaya ayun, panigurado na hindi siya mahuhulog. So anyways, iiwan ko lang itong towel and the doormat. Tapos ibalik ko tong pang-himpit or pang-ipit para sa damit para hindi siya mahulog. Okay, so anyway guys, we're going back downstairs kasi wala naman na tayong gagawin dito. So, let's go. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nawala yung Wi-Fi, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna edit my video downstairs. Wala na din naman akong gagawin. So, let's go guys. I really wanted to do a vlog every day as long as na meron akong tawag dito, nagawang video for the entire day. So anyways, later bali magluluto kami ng chicken fillet for our dinner, and that's going to be I think 6 p.m.